Didn't tame them, we farmed them, exposing the cruelty behind luxury leather, exposing what that means for wild populations. Crocodiles trace back over 200 million years, built for survival with armored skin and lightning-fast ambush skills. Humans never truly domesticated them. Crocodile farming began for meat, leather, driving selective breeding for size, color. That brought problems. Genetic bottlenecks, disease outbreaks, in cramped ranches, fewer wild breeders. The Philippine crocodile is now critically endangered as a result. Habitat loss, climate change adds salt to the wound, shifting nesting times, sex ratios. We've forced an ancient predator into a modern squeeze. Think about that. Then comment your thoughts and subscribe for more.
Crocodiles are ancient survivors. 350 million years of evolution honed. They evolved armor-like scales over millions of years. They mastered ambush hunting with sudden, explosive strikes, a metabolism built for extreme patience and longevity. Humans first hunted them for meat. They were hunted for hides and leather. Then humans started farming crocodiles in captivity. Breeding targeted leather quality and durability. Breeders also selected for larger size. Those practices created captive populations behaving very differently from wild crocs. Today, habitat loss is shrinking. Crocodile ranges, pollution contaminates waterways and degrades habitats. Illegal trade fuels, demand for skins and pets. These threats push some species toward rapid decline. Saltwater crocodiles are relatively stable. Philippine crocodiles number under 200 mature individuals. Captivity causes chronic health problems. It triggers stress behaviors and abnormal actions. It creates genetic bottlenecks that reduce diversity. The bigger lesson, our use of animals as resources, forces rapid, often harmful change. Are we stewards or exploiters?
Crocodiles are living relics, 250 million years of evolution shaped for stealth, armor, patience. Humans hunted and farmed them for leather, meat, spectacle, not gentling them. Croc domestication is really selective breeding on farms, fast growth, palatable meat, weaker immune traits. Result? Populations in the wild suffer from habitat loss and hybridization. Captive lines face disease outbreaks and genetic problems. Example, in some regions, poaching and habitat loss cut wild populations by over 50% in decades. This tells us, our shortcuts create fragile animals and fragile ecosystems, so think before you click that stunt, support conservation, donate to sanctuaries, and pressure for habitat protection.
Is rewriting their future. They shaped river ecosystems as apex predators, keeping populations balanced. Humans, though, rewrote the script. Hunting habitat loss. Farming transformed crocodile lives. Some species were pushed to the brink, others became commodities. The American crocodile is now listed vulnerable by the IUCN. Farming supplies leather and meat, but also creates welfare and genetic issues. Climate change adds a twist. Temperature during incubation determines sex. Warming sands can skew populations. That's a red flag for long-term survival. Our choices reveal a lot about how we value other species. Are we protectors or exploiters? If you care, donate to habitat projects and support ethical conservation. Drop your thoughts below, like and subscribe for more wild stories.
Short box.